I'm so excited. I did it again. I got my husband to film a video for you guys. And this week he is talking about shower surrounds, not the kind that you buy that's a kit. My husband, Pat, is blessed with common sense, and he had a really tough layout of a bathroom. And he found a solution that was very affordable. And I talked to the tenant who's about to move in, and she just saw it and she's over the moon because she saw the before with the ugly tile that was in there, and it was just a problem. And she saw the after and she's like, it's so nice. So she's really happy about it. So go ahead and use the chapters below if you want to go right to that. But I'll tell you who I am. I'm Monique Burns. My husband and I buy distressed properties in Detroit, we renovate them, and we sell them to investors from all over the country and all over the world. And I have to say, today is Friday. This week, I don't even know how many phone calls I did. If you can talk to me by scheduling time on Calendly if you are interested in buying a house, or if you are interested in buying my online course about how we do what we do here in Detroit. But these calls have been heartwarming, so nice. So many of you have been watching me for a really long time, and you have the nicest things to say. And it's easy for me because you seem to already like me before you even call. And then you're always surprised that I'm exactly the same way I am on the phone as I am on camera. And I was talking to someone in California today, and I told him that, well, you know, I'm not an actor, but if you are interested in buying a house in Detroit, definitely set up a time to talk to me. We right now are targeting cash buyers, and I've got a lot of demand. I've got more demand than I have houses, but call me anyway, because you know, you never know. And Detroit's pretty hot, and that is what I'm hearing from everybody. If you get the right people in the city, you can do really well here. So enjoy watching my husband talk about the bathrooms.
Okay, here we are at another job. Monique was getting questions about what kind of floor we use in the bathrooms. And here's a good example of that. I talked last week about luxury vinyl plank, and usually we use a wood pattern in the kitchens and stuff, but we had this bathroom that you can see all the tile surround the white. It was all the way around from here, all the way around and down. And it was here too. Well, the question this week was, what do we do for shower surrounds? Well, it wasn't in the budget to gut this bathroom to the studs and take all the tile down and then drywall and do it. So we decided we would paint the tile, and then we used this product on the walls, and it's just a solid vinyl plastic 4x8 sheets. And so we decided we would just put it in the shower area, and we full spread glue that, and then stick the panels up, and then put the connection pieces in the corner, and if there's a seam. I like it better than shower surrounds. I don't think the shower surrounds, especially if you're trying to do budget, work very well. They tend to start coming off the wall and stuff. So this is what we did here. So we put the panels up, full spread the glue, stuck them up there, and then we just capped it off at top where the tile came up to with a 3/4 inch vinyl trim piece. And so the bathroom before, the soap dish was broken off, the towel bars were broken off, so you had these ugly broken things. So, you know, this was a good, inexpensive solution for us. Typically, if we do a shower surround, we do ceramic tile. Obviously, that's the best, but just didn't have it in the budget for this one to gut it and do that. So we just covered it up, and then we painted the tile. You know, the tile was in good shape other than the fact that it was an ugly green color. So that's what we did. Then we reglazed the tub, and then put in this luxury vinyl plank. I talked about how luxury vinyl plank comes in a lot of different patterns and styles, and this is another one. They were 2 foot by 3 foot panels, and so we threw that in here. Pretty inexpensive. It was only 1 box of plank, so that's what we did here. We put on new handles and diverter in the shower, and nice clean shower now. But that was another one of the questions Monique got about a shower surround. So, and these panels are really quite inexpensive. I think they're about 35 bucks. So it took us 2 of them in here to do it, and pretty inexpensive. And I feel like it's, you know, if you get it adhered to the tile correctly, that it's a good solution. The next step for this bathroom, though, after we did that, would be to gut it and do it over. It's a terrible layout in this bathroom, but it's what we had to work with. So we just did the floor, the surround, glazed the tub, put in a new vanity and new toilet seat, and ready to go.